Alright, today we are going to learn how to find volumes of right rectangular prisms. Okay, a right rectangular prism is a solid figure with 6 rectangular faces, just like this one, this green one right here. To find the volume of a right rectangular prism, we have to multiply the number of cubes that cover the base is the bottom part, okay, by the number of layers of unit cubes, so how many we have going up, how many rows we have going up, okay? Alright, so find the volume of the rectangular prism. Each unit cube has an edge length of, so that means each cube right here has a length of 1 inch, okay? Then each unit cube has a volume's going to go up 1 inch, okay? 1 cubic inch, okay? So the length is 1 and we go up is 1. 1 block is worth 1, okay? Find the number of unit cubes in a base layer. Then multiply by the number of layers to find the cube. So let's start with our first step. A base layer, so we're going to look up at this bottom right here. One side is worth 4, and our next side on the bottom is worth 3. And we're going to multiply them together. 4 times 3 is what? 12. Great job. So this prism is made up of how many layers? How many layers do we have right here? We have 2. 1, 2. It's made up of 2 layers of unit cubes. So the prism is made up of, we're going to take our 12 right here, 12 unit cubes on the base, times 2, because we have 2 layers, okay, which equals 24 unit cubes. So the volume of this prism is 24 cubic inches. Okay, since we multiplied, we are going to use cubic, and we were measuring in inch. Okay, so theoretically, we are just multiplying 4 times 3 times 2. Okay, let's do a couple more together. Alright, number 1, find the volume of the rectangular prism. So we are going to, we can either do it the long way that we did in the example, multiply our 2 bases together. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, then take our 10 and multiply it by how many layers we have, which is 2 going up. Okay, 10 times 2 is 20. So the volume of this rectangular prism is 20 cubic centimeters, because we're measuring in centimeters. Okay, so you can either just do 5 times 2 times 2, or you can break it down and do 5 times, or you can break it down and do 5 times 2, and then get your answer and do your answer times 2, which will equal 20. Okay, let's do number 2 together. One more. Okay, so we're going to take our base, 2 times 3, and multiply it together. 2 times 3 is what? 6. Great job. Then we're going to multiply our 6, our base number, by how many layers we have. And we have 3 layers. So we are going to do 6 times 3. And 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, so our volume is 18 cubic feet. And we use feet because that's what they measure in down here. Okay, so you can either break it down and do it like this, which seems to be a little easier, or you can just multiply it all together. 3 times 2 times 3, all your numbers together. So if we did 3 times 2, we'd get 6, and then 6 times 3, we'd get 18. So either way, you'll get the same answer. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck!